So yesterday we have seen the ALV report. Okay. It's a simple ALV report which is displaying the output. So now uh, in this we can add some extra features also. Suppose here if I'm going to write a layout. Okay. So for layout, I need to specify the layout and I can use that one also. So before that, we'll see user command. Sir. So what is the use of user command? When a user uh, doing any action on the output here on any field, so it will capture on which field it is doing an action. Suppose I want the details of this sales document. Okay, so here I'm not showing all the details of this sales document. I'm just showing here line, material, and there are many details. Or suppose if I want to show the details of material, like what is the material type, what is the um, unit of measurement, then what is the net weight. So this kind of I can show in the detailed report when I'm double clicking on it or just I use hyperlink on it. So we will see that one part first. So here you will see a user command. Yeah, yes. This is user command. So whether I can specify a field here above and I can initialize some value which I want to use in the name of the subroutine form. So for initially I can use directly hard-coded user command. I can specify here a variable also and I can specify that variable which having a value user command here without uh, quotes. Okay. So now we have declared this user command. Now we have to write the subroutine form here. So inside this form, it does not allow me to write the user form inside this because I'm writing a subroutine. So inside subroutine, it is not allowing me. So here I will manually write the subroutine form. Form, I specified the name user command. Then using, you can say variable also, or you can directly use the system variable also, which is sci-ucom is the system variable. As I already said that this sci is holding all the system variables. So here I can write a variable parameter, formal parameter as a pucom. Then which type of this? It should be type of sci-ucom. So we have to specify the type also. And after that, uh, when user click on the field, any column, that we need to know so that we are specifying one more parameter as a select field which is user selected, and the type of this should be slice underscore cell field. Okay, so this field is from the type group slips which we are using for the ALV. So this is the, you can say, a syntax for the user command, and inside this we are writing our code. Okay, so what we will do first, we will see what uh, a system variable we will get, and based on that we will write our logic. To know this, I just want to write something here so that I can debug. Here I will write some case, or I can say one executable statement which is write. Okay, I can say write I. For debugging purpose I need this, so I am just putting here a debugger, executing it. Now I am double clicking on this material. See, it is taking me to this inside. Now here we have specified for the system variable. I will check here what exactly variable it is. It is having ampersand IC1. Okay, and the select field, it has a structure, the table name. Selected field is Matnar, which hold the value 705. You can see here the field name is Matnar. Or any value we need, we will check again. Okay, so here we are using that field and just executing it. So read the table which we have, gt underscore vbap index, or you can assign into gs underscore vbap index p select field. Here we have the index into is not already we have into here, so that no need. So we have to check the size of RC also. We will see what will happen here now. No called index. I think it is tabix. Tab index, sorry. Okay. So before it, I will write here if or when condition because we have clicked on the system variable, which was we have seen in the debugging. Sorry, case p underscore ucom when ampersand I see 1. You can specify another thing, but I don't need this part. Okay. If you have additional condition, then you can specify in when. So why this? Because this logic which I am writing should only trigger when I am triggering this event. Okay. See, now it is giving me this value. So I clicked on the first row. That's why it is giving me this value. Okay. If I click on the third row, it will give me index 3. Just wait, I will be back in 2 minutes. Okay. Uh, Sorry. So here we have seen which index from that output it is calling. So now I would like to add one more logic inside this. If p underscore select field. Okay, field name is equal to, suppose if it is material number, then material number we can add. If it is VBLN, if you want to show the details of VBLN, then you can uh, show the details of VBLN. So first we will see with the VBLN, which is sales document. Okay, so I'm always keeping the format in diff. We'll see now. So step by step we are going. So now if I'm clicking on this 251, okay. So here in the system variable, it is IC1. So it is ampersand IC1. So it will go inside. Then select field name. It is VBLN because I clicked on the VBLN. Sorry. So it is going inside it. And here I'm finding which table index the user has clicked. So from here, I can get the value of that VBLN into the structure, which is 251. Okay. So after that, what I will do, I will write here, see, here VA03. 251 was the sales document number. You can see here the detail. This is order number. These are the details. And suppose I want to see this screen, standard screen from that report. If I double click on it, so here I will write call transaction VA01, and I can write and skip first screen. Okay, so it will skip the first screen which we are input in the value. So we'll see what will happen here now. So now, right now it is saying make an entry in mandatory field order type. It is mandatory. That's why it is giving me this screen. Okay. So I think we have to specify the, sorry, we have written VA01, I think. That's why it should be VA03 because we are not creating a sales order. We are just displaying it. Okay. See, 251. Directly it is showing me to that standard screen where I can see the sales order, which is already created. So if now it is showing 251. If I click on this 157, it will take me 157. It should be somewhere the value is not clear. That's why. Clear gs underscore vbap. 3. So why? I will debug and will check where is the problem. So it should show which I clicked. So first I clicked 215, so it is showing 215 second also. So somewhere the garbage value is holding, that's why it is happening. So field name is VBLN, then tab index is 2, it is correct. Then 03, it is also correct. Call transaction. Mm, 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 mm. Do I need to specify the set parameter? Let me check. What is the parameter for the VBLN? So we will go to VH03. Here you just click on this part F1. Then here we will see the parameter AUN. Okay. So we'll see whether it affect or what. It only this. So before calling the transaction, I will set the parameter. Okay. So it was AUN and field was value. Yes, it is taking me to the screen. So basically what it is doing, so whenever we are uh, calling any standard transaction, it has some parameters in the global. So I will show you that one VA03. It is having